Frig. Got the sub. How much power does this thing make?
I think it's 671.
Damn. This one's 650. Dang.
So break. Oh, never mind. Animal.
Holy shit. That was wild. Oh god, this thing jumps.
It does, it bounces. Oh.
You good?
Yeah.
Bet. I'm not.
Damn.
Unrealistic.
Ooh. Spicy.
Spice boys. Whoa!
Shit.
It sounds insane in the cockpit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just loud intake noises.
Yep.
Wait. Oh, we're good. Oh,
Whoa.
All good. We're moving.
We are.
Zoomies. Holy.
I went right.
Okay.
Oh, and then I crashed.
No.
Let's roll race again.
Okay. Second.
Yeah. Second.
70 again.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Damn.
Dang.
The 8 can't keep up with the boxer, dude. That's crazy.
brutal.
This CB is insanely wild, though. Oh, looks me behind the car. Duck playing it. Oh, dude. Break.
Oh lord. We were moving.
We were, dude.
Oh, whoa. Okay, let's give this CTS-V a whirl. Oh my god. What? Excuse me? There's the 2JZ G35 rolling out. I keep forgetting these cars aren't standard and they're auto. Look at the lineups here. This thing does look really nice. The CTS would be dope. CTS-V. That's an obnoxious exhaust note they got going with it. We're gonna roll out with this guy. It's so linear. It's loud as hell too. Wow. Left him in the dust, baby. The CTS is nice. I like the V8s a lot. You know, a CTS-V would also be really dope to own. Oh, goodness gracious. I think, seriously, like a CTS-V would be super cool to own. Cadillac's kind of old man status, but man, the CTS-Vs are super crazy. That's quite the burble tune they got for a V8 in this game. Ho ho ho! Golly. We are certainly getting better at the no HESI life. Oh, oh, oh! Big wreck! Big wreck. Oh. Alright, we're inside the CTS-V. Much quieter inside, wow. There we go, finally. It's hard to hear when it hits limiter too. I'm glad it flashes at you. Oh, can we squeeze? Oh my god, we squeezed. The glare coming down right now into the windshield is atrocious. We're squeezing, man. This thing's just skinny enough. Really opens up in the tunnel. Looks like a police chopper's trying to get us. Oh my god, we did the squeak again. Oh. Yeah, so far the big V8 muscle cars have been treating no HESI the best, for me at least. Oh my goodness. Open her up a bit again. Oh yeah, and that's it. We're just gonna get a burnout here going in the CTS-V for the boys. Not bad. We are in a demon today. A literal demon. Listen to that. That is wild. Well, we're going to have to go ahead and take it for a spin. This guy's trying to race me. I am working on a chest cam for the webcam, so you'll be able to see first person, the wheel and everything, because if you didn't know, this is turning into a sim channel, but let's get it. Oh, this thing picks up pretty good. That sound, dude. Oh. It's crazy. We made it happen, though. This thing's pretty wild, man. Woo! I do love the paddles, not gonna lie. Oh my god, we are straight mobbing. Crown Vic holding up traffic. This thing is actually really stable at high speeds. I mean, I guess it's about super heavy makes sense, but even like no HESI weaving in and out of traffic. Feels very planted. Woo! We are sending. Wow, we are mobbing deep today, baby. It's one thing about Assetto you gotta love is the sound that the cars produce. Some of them are very mediocre, but then some of them are just unreal. Oh my god, this might be my record for straight mobbing without crashing. This might just be... Oh, we jinxed it. I was gonna say this might just be one of my favorite cars. So far, the Demon is an absolute animal. It's a lot better than I was anticipating it to be for such a big boat. I think we can even use like that CarPlay. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? We can straight up watch a YouTube video right now? In car? Oh my, that's crazy. So I guess you can do that as well, which is wild. Let's get a little first person action. The whine from the superchargers, unreal. Love that. Oh my god, I love this car, boys. I need me a Hellcat in real life, I think, still. One day. Holy shit. Oh, 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 shit!